पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद शुक्रिया करना चाहूंगी। इतना अच्छा बोलते हैं कि आई रियली विश कि सभी को एटलीस्ट मुझे तो इनके जैसे बोलने की शक्ति मिले। खुदा मुझे इतनी बरकत दे कि मैं भी इनकी तरह बोल सकूं। आई ऑलवेज, दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट no, this is not the first function that I have attended. I have also attended 2 more functions where he spoke so very well, and all the time I really, from the core of my heart, I felt that I also should be blessed with this quality. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. Good morning and good afternoon everyone. On behalf of the whole team of Mission International Academy, I, Rosemary D'Souza, Principal of Mission International Academy, welcome one and all sitting here. Welcome you all. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Mohammad Hussain Jafri, who is also the president of Allama Iqbal Foundation, and he is Dean Faculty of Unani Medicine, Rajasthan. Next, I really find immense pleasure in introducing our honorable chief guest, Ms. Nagma Khan, civil judge posted in Badaयूं. She is benevolent, she is dynamic, she is brilliant, and she is quite inspiring. She has inspired many daughters, many girls who have the potential to achieve something great, and they can do it. I'm pretty sure if we take inspiration, if my daughters, if my girls sitting here take inspiration from ma'am, and they if have that burning desire inside, definitely they will achieve something great. It's an honor for us to have you here, ma'am. Thank you so much for sparing some time from your busy schedule. I also would like to extend my hearty welcome to our guest of honor, Dr. Muzaffar Hussain Ghazali, an eminent journalist, Dr. Rashid Aziz, Assistant Professor in Central University of Kashmir, Dr. Qamar Alam, Assistant Professor, AMU Aligarh. I welcome our manager, Mr. Mushir Khan, who is not only our manager but the organizer of this program. I also welcome our director, Ms. Shabana Kausar, and all the distinguished guests present here, all the members of Sir Allama Iqbal Foundation, principals, teachers, parents, and students who are the star attraction of today's program, and my dear friends. I welcome one and all sitting here once again. We all have gathered here to celebrate Jashn-e-Urdu and prize distribution ceremony in the memory of Sir Allama Iqbal, who was undoubtedly one of the greatest poets, philosopher, and the politician of his time. He has written his poets in Urdu and Persian language. His contribution to the literature will live forever, not only in our country but also in the world. I would like to say 2 lines which a student of mine has already said, but I really love saying these lines. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा तुझसे पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है। सुभान अल्लाह, सुभान। दो लाइन्स और इन्हीं की लिखी हुई। समझ ना आया जिंदगी तेरा ये फलसफा, समझ ना आया जिंदगी तेरा ये फलसफा। एक तरफ कहती है सब्र का फल मीठा होता है, एक तरफ कहती है सब्र का फल मीठा होता है और दूसरी तरफ कहती है वक्त किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता। लेकिन हमारी ये स्टूडेंट्स कई दिनों से इंतजार कर रहे हैं इस अवार्ड सेरेमनी का, तो आई एम श्योर यू डोंट हैव टू वेट more time now, because very soon you people are going to receive the rewards. Let me congratulate all the students who are going to receive the rewards, the prizes for your hard work and talent. But believe me children, it's not all the time that you are capable to win. Winning and losing is a part of life. Sometimes you win, sometimes you are not able to win. What is more important is the participation. You should participate in the events, any events that come in front of you, keep on participating. What is more important is the practice, the hard work, the efforts that you are putting in. Above all, one thing is important, that is learning. You learn in the process. And if you learn what you do, you are the winners. Take it from me. If you learn what you do, you are the winners. Because learning always takes us many steps ahead in the long run of life. So always remember, whatever we learn, we have to remember what we have learned. Somewhere or the other, definitely it's going to be of use. Sir Allama Iqbal was remembered among the students in Pakistan for one sentence which he repeatedly used to say, that is, God helps those who help themselves. And I also keep on saying to my students, God helps those who help themselves. So my dear students, always remember, hard work is paid. Hard work will never go in vain. Always achieving is not the thing. But accepting failure, that also should be learned by you. We must know to accept the failure. I hope that you all will take it straight away to your mind, that if in the process, we should also know to accept the failure. Now, let me not take more time, because already my students are waiting here. So let us all remember the ideas, the values, the philosophy that Sir Allama Iqbal has put in front of us, and try to be a better human being. If we do this, we have the hope for today. If we do this, we have the hope for tomorrow, and we have the hope for the generations to come. So let us all try to make a better world and do the best and be the best what you are. Present the best what you could be and try to make a better world. Thank you so much.
ये थी मोहतरमा रोजमेरी डिसूजा साहिबा, जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत अंदाज में अपने एक एक मेहमान का उसकी खूबियों के साथ इस्तकबाल कर रही थी। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ मोहतरमा डिसूजा साहिबा का कि उन्होंने मेरे काम को आसान किया और अपने तमाम मेहमानों का इस्तकबाल किया। इस्तकबाल के इस सिलसिले में बहुत ही खूबसूरत इजाफे हुए। हमारे दरमियान ज़ियाउल उलूम इंटर कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल आली जनाब शाहिद हुसैन साहब तशरीफ लाए। हम दिल की तमाम गहराइयों से शाहिद साहब का इस्तकबाल और खैर मकदम करते हैं और उनसे दरख्वास्त करते हैं बराए करम वो अपनी नशिस्त पर तशरीफ ले आए। हमारे दरमियान अल कदीर इंटर कॉलेज के मैनेजर आली जनाब मास्टर कौसर साहब तशरीफ लाए। हम उनका भी आज की इस नशिस्त में दिल की तमाम गहराइयों से खैर मकदम और इस्तकबाल करते हैं, दरख्वास्त करते हैं कि बराए करम वो अपनी नशिस्त पर तशरीफ लाएं। हमारे बीच MGM कॉलेज में उर्दू शोबे में असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर रियाज अनवर साहब तशरीफ फरमा हैं। दरख्वास्त करता हूँ वो भी अपनी नशिस्त पर तशरीफ लाएं। डॉक्टर रियाज अनवर साहब, मेहमानों के आने का जैसे जैसे सिलसिला चलता रहेगा, मैं यह के बाद दीगरे आपसे उनको मुतारिफ कराता रहूंगा। इस वक्त मेरा दिल चाहता है कि उस फाउंडेशन के बारे में जाना जाए